Welcome to our Blackboard channel. In this session we are going to discuss about class 10th chapter 3 acid, bases and salts, part 13, removing of water crystallization and plaster of Paris. First let us see removing water of crystallization. The water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt. For example, if we take a copper sulfate, hydrated salt copper sulfate pentahydrate CuSO4 5H2O. There are 5 water molecules in copper sulfate. When it is get into heat, we will get white color copper sulfate, that is called anhydrous salt copper sulfate CuSO4. Let us see an activity to remove water of crystallization. So here the aim of the experiment is removing water of crystallization. For that, the material required: test tube, Bunsen burner or spirit lamp, copper sulfate and water. Procedure: take a few crystals of copper sulfate in dry test tube and heat the test tube. After heating, the color of copper sulfate colored turned into white. Now adding 2 to 3 drops of water on the sample of copper sulfate obtained after heating, it will turn into blue color. So here the observations are: copper sulfate, which seems to be dry, contain the water of crystallization. When these crystals are heated, water present in the crystal is evaporated and the salt turns white. When the crystals are moistured with the water, the blue color reappears. With this activity, we can conclude that water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in 1 molar unit of a salt. 5 water molecules are present 1 formula unit of copper sulfate. Now let us discuss about another concept, plaster of Paris. Its formula CaSO4 half H2O. On careful heating of gypsum, formula CaSO4 2H2O at 373 Kelvin, it loses water molecules partially to become calcium sulfate hemihydrate. This is called plaster of Paris. Means to get plaster of Paris, we need to heat gypsum. While heating gypsum, it loses 1.5 water molecule, then we will get calcium sulfate hemihydrate, which is called plaster of Paris. Now, what are the uses of plaster of Paris in our day-to-day life? Let us see some important uses of plaster of Paris. Doctors use as plasters for supporting fractured bones in the right position. Means any breakage of bones occurs, for supporting fractured bones in the right position, doctors use this plaster of Paris for plaster. Another usage is here, this plaster of Paris is used for making toys and idols. It is used as material for decoration and for making smooth surface. Here you can see in those usage of plaster of Paris in this figure. I hope you have understood the usage of plaster of Paris. Thank you. Have a nice day.